Hi folks, we've got a quick update today for you on our Austin 10, the film star. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the movie The Battle of Britain and see where you can see it. So it's now even more disassembled than it previously was. The chassis has been removed from the fuselage. The engine has just been taken off this week. So the next step is to get the chassis treated. Might need sandblasting, but basically get it derusted, treated and prepped, ready for reassembly. Then get the engine back on. As you can see, there's a little bit of work still to do on the chassis, which is sitting on the bench here. But it's going to be looking fantastic when it's all finished. It's a proper thorough restoration job, as you can see. Here's the other side. There's the chassis and some of the bits and pieces that have already been worked on. Let us know what you think.